In this video, I'm going to show you how to run n8n locally using Docker. Let's dive in. First things first, you need the engine. Head over to docker.com and download Docker Desktop. Once it's downloaded, run the installer, hit run, and it will begin downloading the necessary resources. When finished, close the installer and launch Docker. Accept the terms, and feel free to skip the sign-in process. From the dashboard, navigate to the Images tab and search for n8n. Look for the official version with over 100 million downloads, and hit the pull button to start the download. Once the download is complete, click the Run button. A configuration window will pop up. Enter any name you like for the container, and for the port, enter 5678. In the Volume section, click the three dots under Host Path and select a folder on your computer where you want to store your data. For the container path, type exactly /home/node.n8n. Leave the variables as they are and hit Run. Docker will finalize the files, and once it's finished, click the localhost link. n8n will now be running locally on port 5678. Sign into n8n, and you'll be taken to the main interface. Now you can start your automation journey. Just click Create Workflow and start building. One last important tip. If you ever encounter an error message, simply head back to Docker and restart the n8n container to get it running again. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button.